In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to link Asana to Notion so you can streamline your workflow and make managing tasks even easier. Whether you're managing projects or just trying to stay organized, this simple process will make a huge difference. Stick around till the end, and I'll also show you how you can get an exclusive extended free trial of these tools, which is a game changer. First things first, to link Asana to Notion, you'll need to set up both tools. If you don't already have an Asana account, head over to asana.com and create one. Same goes for Notion. Just go to Notion.so and set up your workspace if you haven't already. These tools are both free to use, so you'll be good to go. Now, once you've got both tools set up, you'll want to use a third-party integration tool to link Asana to Notion. The most popular one is Zapier, which makes it simple to create automated workflows between these two platforms. If you're not familiar with Zapier, don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps. Next thing, head over to zapier.com and sign up for a free account if you don't have one. Zapier allows you to connect Asana with Notion by setting up zaps, which are workflows that trigger actions in one tool based on activities in the other. For example, you can create a zap to automatically add new Asana tasks into Notion. Once you're logged into Zapier, click on Make a Zap. Now, select Asana as your trigger app. In the next step, you'll choose an event in Asana, like when a new task is created or updated. Then, you'll link your Asana account to Zapier by following the prompts. Next thing, you'll choose Notion as your action app. This is where things get interesting. Zapier lets you decide what you want to happen in Notion when an Asana task is created or updated. For example, you could have Zapier create a new page in Notion with the details of the task from Asana. The fourth thing, you'll be asked to map out the information from Asana to Notion. This is where you link specific details from your Asana tasks, like the task name, due date, and description, to corresponding fields in Notion. Don't worry, it's all very intuitive, and Zapier walks you through the process. Once you've done that, test the Zap to make sure everything works smoothly. If it looks good, hit Turn on Zap, and you're all set. From now on, any new Asana task you create or update will automatically sync to Notion in real time. This setup can save you tons of time and help you manage everything from one place. So, as promised, by following the link in the description below, you can start using both Asana and Notion for free with our exclusive bonuses and get access to an extended free trial of the tools I showed you today. That's it. You've now successfully linked Asana to Notion and set up an automated workflow. This integration will save you time, keep you organized, and streamline your entire project management process. Don't forget to check the first link in the description for those awesome bonuses and the extended free trial. Happy organizing!